incredible. I don't know, it's huge. Experiencing from high myopia, I can functioning without glasses, except driving. Very nice and bright day. I can drive even without glasses, but evening, nighttime, I have to put the glasses. But it's very simple. It's single diopter glasses I got from the optical. So it's huge success last 6 months. I appreciate your help, your method of teaching. It's incredible. What I was saying that last 5-6 years, I was trying to improve my vision, but it did help me. But last 6 months, it's incredible. I guess it's your magic. I call it your magic of